Mr. Cat, Ukrainian folk tale, 2021. Once upon a time, a man had a cat. The cat was too old and couldn't catch mice anymore. The master took him and left in the forest and thinks, I don't want to feed him anymore. Let him stay in the forest. The man left the cat and went. In the forest, a fox met the cat and asks him, What are you? And he answers, I am Mr. Cat. The fox says, Be my husband and I will be your wife. The cat agreed. The fox shows the way to her house and tries her best for the cat. She caught the hen but didn't eat it, gave it to the cat. One day a hare saw the fox and says, Sister Fox, I will come to your house. But the fox says him, I have got Mr. Cat and he will tear you to pieces. The hare told about Mr. Cat to a wolf, a bear and a wild hog. They gathered together and began to think how to see Mr. Cat, and they say, Let's cook dinner. And they began to think what they need to bring. The wolf says, I will bring meat to put in a beet soup. The hare ran to the fox's house, and she runs out and sees that the hare stands on two legs near her house and asks him, Why did you come? And he says, A wolf, a bear, a wild hog and me ask you to come to us with your Mr. Cat for a dinner. And the fox says, I will come with him, but you need to hide because he will tear you. The hare came back and says, The fox said you need to hide from him. And they began to hide. A bear is climbing up the tree, a wolf is sitting behind the bush, a hog is digging in under the branches, a hare is hiding in the bush, and the fox is coming with her Mr. Cat. They are coming to the table, and Mr. Cat has seen a lot of meat on the table and says, Meow, meow, meow. And the animal think, there is so much food on the table and it's too little for him. He can eat us too. Mr. Cat climbed up the table and began to eat. When he has eaten, he laid on the table. A hog was near the table, and one mosquito has bitten the hog's tail. The hog has moved his tail. The cat thought that is a mouse and jumped to catch it. The hog has been afraid of the cat and run away too quickly. Mr. Cat has been afraid of the hog, jumped up the tree and climbed up where the bear was. The bear saw that the cat was climbing up the tree and began to climb higher and higher. The tree was broken. The bear has fallen right up to the wolf. All animals have been afraid of Mr. Cat and run away. And later they came back and say, He is so little, but can eat us.